SPB004 showing the third connectivity option. So if we use the desktop on the lectern, we've also used the laptop, which is still connected to. Now the third option is connecting a Wi-Fi enabled device. So this could be a phone, laptop, iPad, or whatever Wi-Fi system you're using. Okay, so for this one we go on to the second last control onto wireless. On the screen here now, and throughout the building we've got a system now called Solstice. Okay, the important figures on here are the login details really. So you've got a couple of options. Okay, so just the first thing to be aware of is this system only works on the university Wi-Fi and the guest UOW login. So if your laptop is defaulted to your own, like many of them are, you'll need to obviously default that back to the university or the guest university login as well. Okay, each screen and each location comes with a pin. So on this one at the moment it is 0394. Obviously showing the HTTP login details for the university Wi-Fi, and then the second one down as well for the guest. There's also options there to, if you're using on a MacBook, say for example, or a Mac, you can directly put the AirPlay into the location. And if you're using a Windows base, which has got the Miracast, option as well as an app installed, you can use that by just using the SPB004 identity to the room. So connecting your laptop, Wi-Fi device, enabled device, iPad, phone, etc. There is an Android app and there is also an iPhone app as well, Solstice. You'll see the sort of green coloured icon bottom corner, so look out for that one on your app stores. Okay, so I'm going to use the university top one, which is your staff login. Okay, so on the university top, if you go to your laptop, say for example, and look for the Wi-Fi code for that, and then make a note of the university's, the top one there, which is HTTP, and that's the link which you type into your browser. Okay, so going back to my laptop, at the moment I've got the staff one connected on my staff machine. A bit clearer. So I've got the WLV staff installed, sorry, Wi-Fi code already added. So I'm trying to do this one-handed. Okay. And then I go to whatever browser you're using. I'm going to use on this one on Google Chrome. And then we type in the top code on the screen. So I've already done that. So if I just copy and paste that in. Okay, so it tells me that it's Quick Connect, Solstice Quick Connect on there. And then I just open the browser. Okay. This is what you're asked. So if you've already got installed, the app's installed, you can already go to the second option, or if you haven't, you've got to go to the first option, which is to get the app enjoying. Runs a little download application, so you might need to talk to IT service if you need that installed on your staff machines. This is an open desktop, so I've got sort of flexibility at the moment. Once that's downloaded, run the executable file. Okay, this is my security device come up. Accept that. You notice as the Solstice application starts, you're asked to enter the key on the screen. So again, that's you've got two there showing around, but you get to see it. So on this machine it's 7486, so that's shown on the top and the bottom of the screen as well. 7486, 7486, and OK that. A couple of different options now as well on here, so that's showing that the laptop is now talking to the machine. So if we just go on to the first option, which is desktop. Okay, so it gives it a couple of seconds, and now that's displaying my desktop machine over the Wi-Fi. So if the lectern's down for any reason, or you just want to use your laptop using the connectivity, what we'll do just to prove that, we'll just unplug the USB cable and the HDMI cable. So what you're seeing now is the laptop is now its own individual machine, not connected to the lectern facility at all, and that's now purely basing your screen display over the Wi-Fi from your laptop. Small application on the top for sharing desktop, etc. You can also use an application window, so you can use multiple screens at the same time on here. So again, it's just being repeated on the main screen. You also have the ability to play audio over the Wi-Fi, so as long as this desktop audio switch is on, you can also play audio via Wi-Fi as well throughout the room. You see above the screen at the moment in this location, we've got a couple of large speakers as well, and some hidden away in the roof voids. Once you're happy with what you've completed, that's your share screen, just to prove what's on there is being shared twice. Okay, you can maximise and minimise the window size as well. So that's Solstice.